let's just unpack on the Mummy Club. That other week, I couldn't do the Mummy Club. I apologize for that. What happened that week was that ingane kaHappy iyazenzela nje nayo. And it's not the first time ingane kaHappy embarrasses her like this. She was even crying, guys, literally. It's angimfunjala kwami, angimfuni in my house. I don't want to etshela uVuyi because lo mntana lo also even rent to Vuyi's house. At some stage ungazi ukuthi ubalekela lapho for what, but I guess because they're friends. And then this week again, they were seen with some intervention for her. Bekhuluma naye. I know sure. Has no but because she's a teenager, late teen. Like also, what we were saying is that Happy now she's not telling us the age of this child. Someone was even saying, "Boy, is it because she doesn't want to tell us?" Hey, guys, it's very beginning. And then Mrs. J on that episode, she went actually to show Happy Mrs. Sunday. He plotted that she bought. She just wanna do like some wellness there. I was just like, those are the things that women should be talking about. I don't look about Donsana like Upelad. She's still gaslighting Cicilo, Nux. They had a meeting, just the two of them, to talk about Guti indaba singazwani. She was still saying you are a snob. Guys, I just feel good. She takes forever to understand stuff. Or she's acting up, I'm not sure. Naye futhi seen futhi ekhuluma lento leyo ukuthi yena uyawathanda amadoda abantu. Married men and stuff. Guys, into ongakhuluma ngayo leyo nto leyo, like I was saying ukuthi mina khona abantu nje who actually like to be mistresses. And those things are not right, guys. You can't live your life as a mistress. Ukhulume ngayo ku TV uthi mina I'm a mistress and mina ngiyathanda amadoda abantu and ngiyathanda amadoda ashadile na manje ngibhizi nendoda eshadile. Who even says things like that, guys, and think that's right? Hey. The name of this episode 80 is called Charity Begins at Home. And Happy went to hospital because ngathi akekho right, she has fatigue. That's what they said in hospital. So they did a little NTT oldest guy, Happy nalomncane. They are scared which they losing their mother. So I think they actually spoke to Vuyi yamazi umngane lo wakhe wasefulsura sivele. Ukuthi ngeke ngathi we are losing our mama wethu ngathi akekho right life in general. And then Mrs. Sunday is speaking to her sister-in-law emtshela nje ukuthi like there's this a friend of her brothers that they know when they were growing up. So she went there and then Dr. wayesemphathaphatha emenza izinto. Hey guys, yabona lezi zinto lezi zade zaqala zokunukubezwa nokuhlukunyezwa kwey'ngane back in the days. Yayikhona le nto. Sometimes you feel like, hey, am I grateful or what? Uthi umalume bami abangazi bangenze lezi zinto. Ngoba phela some of us were brought up by uncles who didn't touch us kodwa. So you're like, hey, bo, why am I grateful or what? Nkosiyami. And she's like, she remembers vividly nje ukuthi you know what, lo bhuti lo wayesembamba, although engazange amenze ukumenza, but wayesembamba. So lo mama lo upastor lo wakhuluma naye, she's just nje like wanting to speak to someone that she trusts, you know, ukuthi hey, am I seeing things? Because I've been meaning to talk about this. This is what happened to me back in the days. Ubhuti kamnganami and stuff. Wayengenza izinto engibamba nje in some type of way that I didn't like. But back then I guess I was young. So Mrs. Sand is like, yo, I'm afraid I don't know, maybe my children can go through this thing as well, like what I saw when I was a child. And then she feels like a bit paranoid around that. So, oh, am I saying things? What's going on, you know? When the grandmother was talking to Titi, and Happy, they were just talking about what Titi is going through, delinquent, because she is now, basically. But it is not the first time, guys. So the grandmother was just like, you know what, also I can't lose you now, you are fatigued and all of that. I can't lose you. But I remember Pela Lokoko lost Happy's mom as well. And Happy's brother or Happy's uncle. The one who sometimes it's not make sure, but it's Happy's brother. So the grandmother is like, I can't. You also need to take care of yourself. Uzithande, ube right, rest, take it easy nje in life. Ungabi too much. Apha uthi feels ukuthi yena if the mother happy passes away, she can take care of her children when she's not even finished being a teenager yena herself. Like I said, sometimes you're not even sure ukuthi una 17 or una 18. Just now they did a birthday, but they never really told us that ukuthi I thought Titi was now maybe about 18 or 19. So it's confusing. Yeah, so the grandmother is like, hey, but people must just take it easy. Kodwa nje uyahlupha guys uThiti and uzobe she bring in the sister relates us must nayo uyasho umama toxic kungenaphi lokho guys when we are talking to you and we're talking about you, why are you bringing up other people? When Mrs. J was telling Happy ukuthi, you know what, lento nje eyenziwa uPhiladi and uPhiladi I think ujola ne-married man ayangiyithandi ngoba phela mina futhi also I've been married for over 20 years. Abantu abanjani. I just feel some type of way nje around uPhiladi nalezi zinto zakhe zokujona namadoda ashadile. Happy manje, it looks like she's for that. I'm like, kanjani sisi, when your husband passed on with a side chick in the car, uthini? What are you even saying? Mrs. J invited the ladies to Twaranang, a home in Hammanskraal, and then these ladies didn't want to wear the t-shirts that Mrs. J was giving them. These ladies ngapha. Mrs. Sandujab was late. These ladies, guys, the ladies Besebe podcast, they were waiting outside for Mrs. J for a long time, and then she doesn't even apologize. How rude. She came late to the event, and then I'm sorry. I guess it was just Tlakantuki and crazy, that whole thing. Guys, Opeladi, they've lived it. Remember I said there is some scoop about Opeladi. I did say a bit of her scoops. But I was just like, let me just leave it. Yo, it was a Peladi, guys. Peladi has lived there. To a point where ufonelwa as a mistress, the wife was even calling her good friend. And stuff. Like, guys, what kind of a life is that? Even the married man's wife knows which one business, and then you think that's even funny. Oh, okay, guys. I got Angelina Njega sisters now with married men, it's not right. And uhipping us to she's seconding it. She's like, la la la, what must happen because you don't choose to be a side chick, However, guys, and then mangabe nonoxi zamakhuluma ngalento uhappy is not even budging akamlaleli unoxi, and I just feel like uthutha unoxi kabi. Maybe unabantu bakho uhappy ngoba noratile uhappy wayengamthandi, and sometimes you sit and look back and be like, yini owangayithandi ngoratile? I still don't even understand ngoba wafika kwakhe kuda lapho wabanoziyas wahlanza lemhlanzo yakho wawuyihlanza. So I don't understand ukuthi what is the problem here. Angamnaki nje unox ekhuluma. She's like, I am tired lesi story se-married man. Unox manje esekhuzama ukukhuluma naye. Guys, there's no explanation of being a side chick. You'll be saying things like, I know, maybe I was trying to get over my marriage and all of that. So, is there anything like that? No. Upheladi in a way was like, here's Mrs. J. She's healing people, whatever. Like, what's up with that? I happy novuyo ba into the Thembu situation. Like they talk about that all the time now. But I know it's Thembu. Actually, there's nothing wrong with it. I'm like, wow. Okay. We get them, I guess. We can't judge them, Ngapha uPhiladi futhi ngathi yena ne-ex-husband yakhe, their parenting is clashing because uyabona manje ukuthi uPhiladi is saying things like, you're my husband, my daughter did something, and then he's blaming me now for that. Hey, it's just crazy, guys. Vuyi did tell Pella don't get involved too much in le nto ka-Mrs. J claiming to say lo ujola namadoda abantu, and she's jollering right now with the married man. Indaba zaPhela don't. She goes ke u-Happy and tells Phela ukuthi I know wena bathi ubusy ne-married man. That's when ke uPhela was like, hayi uyangibhora mina uMrs J. uMrs J uyi-spiritual healer or uyini elifini, why fanele akhulume ngami and akhulume ngale zinto zami. So uHappy is getting a new nanny. The Zimbabwe nigga left, he never came back. Wasangazi ubani uyagula ekhaya. I wonder what happened actually, because they were very close, and we would like to know ngoba ave ithanda uHappy indaba zabantu wayebhizi namanini abantu. Right, les one to be exact, ebhizi uthi okay uBarbara embiza athi I know ngifuna ngenzela marketing kanti she wants the ndabas. You understand? Guys, uyabona uPheladi noMrs J, I thought they would get along, but I could see ukuthi there's drama that's gonna come from these two. So silinde leyo drama ke manje, we wanna see ukuthi balwa kuze kuphelele ngoba now Mrs J was now too involved in Pheladi's things. But uPheladi naye uyayithanda indaba zabantu, kanti futhi uyathanda ukujaja abantu and tell them who they are without their consent. So mhlambe it's time naye bamtshele ukuthi laleli wena uwathanda kabi amadoda abantu, ujola namadoda abantu ashadile. Guys, suke sime lapha ngalabo mama iy'tori zabo and basazodonsana, you can tell they still going to donsa each other. Guys, ngisame lapho kwamanje guys. I appreciate you so much. Fanele ngenze ne-Real Housewives of Durban guys, nginithanda over. Thank you.